Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In today's class, we will learn about ipso substitution. It is very simple thing. See here, ipso substitution reaction. When the groups like COOH and SO3H, these type of groups are present at ortho and para positions in phenol or aniline, then these are replaced by electrophile. This type of reaction is called ipso substitution. You may get a doubt, what is the difference between normal electrophilic substitution reaction and ipso substitution reaction? See this, generally in normal substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction in aromatic compounds, hydrogen atoms, these hydrogen atoms are replaced by any other substituent and form products. But in this case, a substituent present on the benzene ring is replaced by other substituent. Example, phenol having COOH. Its name is para-hydroxy benzoic acid. Now, this compound is treated with bromine water. Then we can get this product OH, Br, Br. See here, this is 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Observe this reaction, COOH, OH both are present. This COOH attached to the benzene ring, it is replaced by bromine. So this type of substitution is called ipso substitution reaction. Normally these hydrogen atoms are replaced by substituents, but in this case one substituent, this substituent is replaced by bromine. So this is ipso substitution reaction. And same carboxylic group is present at ortho position. Then also we can observe this ipso substitution reaction. Br2 in glacial acetic acid. Br2 in H2O or Br2 in glacial acetic acid give this ipso substitution product. So product is this one, Br, Br, Br. This is orthohydroxy benzoic acid. In the same way, aniline derivative. See here, this is aniline. SO3H group is present at para position. Its name is para-sulfonilic acid. Para-sulfonilic acid is treated with Br2 H2O. In H2O, bromine water. Then also SO3H group is replaced by bromine. We can get tri-substituted product. That is this one. NH2, Br, Br, Br. 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Now see here, Ortho substituted aniline. This is aniline, SO3H gives rise to bromine water, H2O. Then we can get this one, NH2, Br, Br, Br. So in this way, SO3H and COOH groups present at ortho and para positions in phenol or aniline, then they are replaced by electrophile. So this type of substitution is called ipso substitution reaction. Okay. So for phenol, suppose SO3H group is there, then we can get this type of reaction. Phenol SO3H group is treated with Br2H2O, then we can get this product OH. Very simple reaction, this one. In the same way, aniline having COOH at para position, then also we can get same type of substitution, that is NH2, this one. So this is ipso substitution reaction. Now this phenol having SO3H and aniline having COOH is treated with benzene diazonium chloride. Then what is the product? See here. Aniline having SO3H is treated with benzene diazonium chloride, C6H5N2Cl. Then we can get coupling at by diazo group. See here, this one. So in this way, SO3H group is replaced by benzene diazonium chloride. Then we can get this type of azo compound. Similarly, OH having COOH with benzene diazonium chloride. Then also we can get similar type of coupling. COOH group is replaced by azo group, double bond En. So this is ipso substitution reaction. Next question is, what is comproportionation reaction? Comproportionation reaction. Okay. See this. Before going to comproportionation reaction, once again check the reagent in this ipso substitution. Here we used bromine water. Instead of bromine water, if we use bromine in CS2, then what is the product? See here. Bromine water gives tribromo product. Tribromo product. Bromine water or bromine in glacial acetic acid. Bromine in glacial acetic acid gives tribromo product. Otherwise, KBrO3 plus KBr plus acid. Then also we can get tribromo product. Suppose if we want mono substituted bromine, that means mono substituted product, then we have to use bromine in CS2, carbon disulfide, or chloroform, or CCl4. Bromine is added to CS2, or bromine is added to CHCl3, or bromine is dissolved in CCl4, then we can get mono substituted product. Mono substituted product. Now, what is the difference between these reagents and this reagent? Take this one, Br2 in H2O. This Br2 in H2O. Here, H2O is polar solvent. H2O is polar solvent. In presence of polar solvent, we can get Br plus and Br minus. Br plus means electrophile. So, water is a polar solvent. In presence of this, bromine undergoes polarization and forms electrophile Br plus and Br minus. This Br plus participate in the reaction, then we can observe electrophilic substitution reaction. In presence of polar solvent, so in presence of this polar solvent, OH group undergo ionization and provides more electron density to the benzene ring. Then it causes substitution at different places. So at 3 places, 3 positions, substitution takes place. That is electrophilic substitution reaction. Suppose if we use this one, Br2 in CS2. Here, Br2 in CS2, carbon disulfide or CHCl3 or CCl4. All these are non-polar solvents. Non-polar solvents. So in presence of non-polar solvents, bromine does not undergo ionization, and this OH group also cannot provide more electron density in presence of non-polar solvents like CS2. So electrophilic substitution reaction takes place very slowly. Then only possibility mono substitution. That's why when we use this reagent, we can get mono substitution product. Now come to this one. KBrO3, KBr and H+. See this? For this reaction, KBrO3 means potassium bromate. Potassium bromate. In this, what is the oxidation state of bromine? Potassium 1. Let it be X. For this, -2. How many? 3. So X minus 5 equal to 0. X equal to +5. Bromine oxidation state is +5. In KBr, what is the oxidation state of bromine? -1. Now, see the reaction. BrO3 minus Br minus plus (5Br plus 6H plus) gives rise to Br2, 3Br2 plus 3H2O. So this reaction is called comproportionation. Comproportionation reaction. How can we define this reaction? In a chemical reaction, same element is present with different oxidation states and gives the product. In that element having only one type of oxidation state, that is called comproportionation reaction. In this, bromine oxidation state is +5. Here -1. +5, -1. Different oxidation states exhibited by same element bromine. In product, bromine is there. Oxidation state is 0. That means in this chemical reaction, same element with different oxidation states react with each other and form a product having only one type of oxidation state is called comproportionation reaction. This reaction is just opposite to disproportionation reaction. Already we know that disproportionation. What is disproportionation reaction? The oxidation state of an element is changed to two different oxidation states in the same chemical reaction. That is called disproportionation reaction. For example, 3Cl2 plus 6NaOH, hot concentrated. Then we can get 5NaCl plus NaClO3 plus 3H2O. Oxidation state 0, here -1, here +5. Say this same element undergo both oxidation and reduction in the same chemical reaction, that is called disproportionation reaction. This is disproportionation reaction. The above reaction is comproportionation reaction. Different oxidation states combined and form same oxidation state. So this reaction and this reaction both are opposite. So with this reagent KBrO3, 5Br and acid, we can get a tri-substituted product. Okay students, remember these reagents functioning, then we can get answer correctly. Any one of these reagents give tri-substituted product. Either this reagent, bromine in chloroform, bromine in CCl4, we can get mono-substituted product. Thank you.